must have coffee. Hey Stash fans, welcome to Mully's Stash Show. Now that I have my coffee, I am fully functioning, ready to go. I found out yesterday on my ride home that my main headlight on my motorcycle is burnt out. So, don't know how long that's been. The high beam worked just fine, so I made it home fine. And I was still legal. But we're going to change the headlight today. And then we're going to go, when we go to the dealer to pick up a headlight, we're going to go see about getting either mounts for that windshield with the salesman, or we're going to try to exchange the windshield. So, stand by. Alright, I'm going to try to get the headlight out without being in the way of the camera. So I watched a video on YouTube. They just grab these, pull this out, and then apparently this turns counterclockwise. And like so. So far not bad. And then, I may need to get my arm in here. Hope it's not in the way. Put these clips together. There's one, there's two, and out comes the light bulb. Maybe. Alright. So, there we go. Oh yeah, you can see, well maybe you can't, but I can see the filament is broken in here. So, not a big deal, except that I think these are probably like 30 bucks, so that might be a big deal. But we will go to the dealer and see what we can find. Just in case you couldn't see it before, broken filament equals no bueno. Hey Stash fans, I just got to the dealer. I'm going to see if I can get a headlight bulb for my bike, and also to see if I can't talk to the salesman to exchange the windshield that he sold me, or maybe if he has some brackets for sale. So I did some research yesterday, and the windshield is not for this bike. However, it can be used on this bike if I bought a very expensive adapter kit. And if I bought the kit from BMW, it's like 240 bucks. So I'm hoping the salesman has some kit laying around or some such thing, since he claims to have a room full of BMW parts. So we will see. Hey Stash fans. So I went to the dealer. I got a hold of the salesman. He was there. I couldn't get a hold to him on the phone. I tried calling the dealer 5 times this morning. Couldn't get a hold of anybody. Actual persons, just answering machines. Anyway, I was unable to get mounts for the windshield, and he said that I could return the windshield if I wanted to, but he spent probably at least an hour with me online trying to find stuff to mount it. We couldn't find it. However, he showed me his bike. I took some pictures, so I'm going to probably try to make some mounts at the machine shop, and then if that doesn't work, then I'll return it to him. However, while I was there, I asked, and he gave me a light bulb. He just gave it to me for the bike. So we're going to plug that in real quick, see if that works, and then we'll go from there. So I hope you can hear me okay. I have like the world's cheapest video camera ever, and the tripod's older than me. This thing's got to be from the 70s, maybe the 60s. So sometimes it shakes and it rocks. And it's really windy out, so hopefully you can hear me okay though. The light bulb the salesman gave me was one of those halogen lights. That's why I'm wearing a glove, because you can't touch them with your bare hand, and it's from his own personal stash. So that was pretty cool. That makes me less upset now that I bought the windshield and I can't use it, so I'm glad that he sort of did this to make amends. Now I just gotta try to get it out of here without breaking it. It's in this plastic, ridiculously heavy plastic thing. I don't know why. Light bulbs are usually pretty fragile, so who knows. So I guess it goes in sort of like so. Again, I'm gonna have to put my arms in the way. So, not a lot of room to work here, but it looks like I can pull these little metal things out of the way, shove the light bulb in, Of course it's not easy. Why would it be? Why would it be? There we go. Maybe. There we go. Put these things, hook that one in. Hook that one in. And this plugs on here, I guess. I know you probably can't see anything. Sorry about that. It plugs on there. And I guess this thing twists on. Like so. Like so. Plugs in here. Right now I'm going to move the camera around to the front before I test it out. Now for the big test. I should have one light that comes on. This light should come on when I turn the key on. Ooh, it does. Awesome. This light really isn't on. It has just this little tiny itty bitty bulb in there. I'm not really sure what it's for. And now when I flip the lever, both lights should be on. Or at least this light. I'm not sure if both come on, but the high beam should be on. Ooh, good. Okay. So, it's working like it should. That's awesome. That'll keep me safe on the road. Now I've just got to get my speedometer cable. It's coming from California. And so it's strange that it's taken a week to get here, but it should be here by the weekend. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. You can turn the notifications on so you see when I get my daily video posted, and follow me at Twitter, Mully Stash. I'll see you tomorrow.